We have breaking news right now. Donald Trump now says that House Republicans should vote to release the Epstein files. I feel like I'm living in a backwards world. He just put out on Truth Social, as I said on Friday night aboard Air Force One to the fake news media, House Republicans should vote to release the Epstein files because we have nothing to hide and it's time to move on from this Democrat hoax perpetrated by radical left lunatics in order to deflect from the great success of the Republican Party. He then goes on to talk about all of his quote-unquote successes, but a couple things. Number one, Donald Trump is saying vote to release the files, and every House Republican should listen to Donald Trump and vote to release the files. But number two, Donald Trump is president of the United States. If he's saying he has nothing to hide and they should vote to release the files, then he should just release the files. No, there wouldn't have to be a vote on it, right? The president could just release the files, but he's not doing it. Spread the word. Full updates on my Substack, linked in bio. Subscribe for free. Follow along, stay up to date on all the news that you need to know about. More to come very soon.